Let's make some gold leaf home decor.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sharon and this is Classy Shades Designs.
A while back I found these flat canvases at my local Dollar Tree, and I picked up a couple of them because I knew that I could use them for some project in the future. Today is the future. Also using a little bit of the Dollar Tree black chalk paint, I painted the entire canvas black, making sure to paint the sides. And because I didn't want to see any white shining through, I painted two really nice coats on both the top and the sides of the project. After making sure that I had good coverage, I took two leaves off a faux plant that I have at home, and I started painting them with that same black chalk paint to make sure that they were completely covered. I painted the front twice and I painted the back twice because that will be key to making sure we have full coverage for our next step, which is using a little bit of this metallic gold leaf paint picked up at Joann Fabrics. I believe it was less than $5 with a coupon. I completely painted the leaf. I did one coat at a time, making sure that each coat dried completely, because if you don't, you will just remove the paint off of it. If you guys are finding value in my videos, I would love to have you as part of the Classy family. Please consider subscribing so that you can see all the videos that I post. I try to post a new video for you every Saturday. Once that leaf was completely dry, I came in and did round two with the exact same gold paint, making sure to go with the flow of the leaf. And this started to really bring this leaf alive. It really started to make it look like it was a actual metal leaf. Love it. Having fun. Flip it over and do the same thing. Repeat that step on the back. When it was done and dry, I then took some hot glue and I took my black canvases and I hot glued each leaf to one of the canvases as you see here. It's a pretty simple project. Tell me if you think this is something you could do. But we're going to go one more step. I found two of the frames at Dollar Tree that have the little gold around them, and taking two of the Dollar Tree Tower blocks, I hot glue that to the glass of the frames at the top and the bottom. Once that glue was dry, I added some glue on top of the blocks, and I then hot glued the canvas and the leaf to the frames. And what I did here, once I applied it, I made sure that it was center on the blocks and allowed it to dry. And once it was dry, my project was complete. How fun, how simple. This is what it looked like, you guys. Here they are sitting on my dresser as just sitting as home decor this way. I absolutely think it's beautiful, but my favorite look is the one that I think I'm going to keep, and this is the look where I hung them on the wall in my bedroom, and there is its mother plant right next to it where I cut the leaves off from that. You guys, this project was quick, easy, and fun, so tell me what you think. I'll see you next week.